The Xperia XZs was launched last week and now it's gone on sale and would be available on Flipkart and offline stores. The design is what we call beauty in simplicity. This is how the Xperia phones have always looked like all along, with some refreshment but still a rectangle. And you can't find any flaw in this design, especially with the screen size in this case. The 5.2-incher makes operating this phone such a natural process, like unlocking the screen with the fingerprint scanner on the right. And the tri-luminous display is just beautiful. The display looks very vibrant, it's accurate and you get good details. The viewing angles are good and so is the outdoor legibility. It's especially good while watching videos. And yes, it's a sturdy phone. The XZS is powered by the same Snapdragon 820 processor like the XZ, but the RAM has been bumped up to 4GB now. There is 64GB of internal storage that can be expanded to up to 256GB via microSD card. And the performance is absolutely smooth. Daily tasks like reading mail, surfing net, opening apps and switching between apps was as smooth as like putting a hot knife on butter. Gaming was also a very satisfying experience as we witnessed no lags and no stutters whatsoever. The XZS now runs on Android Nougat with Sony's own customization on top. The UI is pretty neat. There are few pre-installed apps which is understandable, but still overall you get close to stock Android experience.
Well, all the slow-mo videos that you've been seeing, all of them have been shot using the Xperia XZs. That's one of the USP of this phone, man. They're using a 19 megapixel motion eye camera here instead of the 23 megapixel that they were using in the XZ. And yes, the image processing is 5 times faster and the results are pretty good.
The picture quality to start with is much better than the XZ. The pictures look sharp with good amount of details and true to life colors. Low light pictures also look much improved now. There's a new predictive capture mode that basically activates the auto burst mode as soon as it detects movement, allowing you to get the best moment in the picture. And of course, you have the super slow motion videos, shooting videos at 960 frames per second. You can also shoot 4K videos and you still get those VR effects, which is still kind of fun. The 2900 mAh battery isn't much, but somehow we just managed to get along with the day. And of course, you can always make use of the stamina mode to stretch the battery life a little further.
Alright, so to sum it up, the Sony Xperia XZs, I think it's a fantastic phone. I love the design, the performance is super smooth, the camera is just amazing, the display is gorgeous, the audio quality is brilliant, and yes, the price 49,990 rupees is a price which will make you pause and think and reconsider, and there would be a voice in your head that would just say that why not the Google Pixel? Because after all, it is from Google, it gives you a smoother Android experience and a fantastic camera. Or if you're a Sony fan, you might think that why not wait for the premium, but that is going to cost way more than this. Yeah, it's a complicated choice, but then if you're an Xperia fan, you are an Xperia fan. So yes, the choice is yours. You think, my job is over.